Welcome to my world, another day in Tanya's Golden Hour. Of course, I like to have you here. Thank you guys so much for being on my channel, for being on my platform. I truly appreciate you here. Anyway, let's get into this video. Callaloo and Saltfish is going to be on the menu for breakfast, okay? You would have seen here some tomatoes, some scallions, some bell peppers, onions, and of course, you add anything else that you want to add with it, okay? Could be scotch bonnet pepper, of course, your garlic, you name it, all the flavors and every single thing. Listen, just go for it, okay? Because nothing like a lovely flavorful pot. Okay, so we're just going to saute this anyway. We're just going to stir this around. I'm not too sure. What do you guys like to have with your callaloo and saltfish? Anyway, our callaloo obviously is in the tin because we ain't got that kind of resource to get it naturally. So when you're cooking up your callaloo, especially when you're in these foreign countries, you want to make sure that you cook this up really well. So mommy also, what she did was when she did actually take it out of the tin, obviously she kind of throw that all hot water on it, that warm water, kind of get rid of all of those kind of residue thing that was obviously keeping it in the tin to keep it preserved until it gets into our belly. Oh yes, definitely. You want to also make sure that you cook this up really, really well, okay? And season your pot very, very well because like I said, sadly on our side we're not able to get it naturally where we can clean it up, so yeah, it comes in the tin. And of course she adds in a piece of butter as well. She's going to go in with the saltfish. Now I actually bought the wrong type of saltfish. This was not the right one. This was like kind of the rubbery one. It was so awful. So you've got different types now, so you want to make sure that you actually get the right one where it doesn't curl up and tough. Yeah, I said that. Anyway, so then she's obviously added in some black pepper and a bit of garlic powder as well. Listen, nothing like when your pot is well seasoned, no? So because of the tin callaloo and stuff like that, she wants to make sure that she cooks this up really well. And trust me, honeys and gents, it tasted amazing. So yeah. And not because we're cooking it with saltfish, it means that it doesn't need a little bit of salt. It did, because I tasted it off the cam and it did need a little bit of salt. Now, some of you may like to have your callaloo and saltfish with your fried dumpling and stuff like that. I am not really a fried dumpling lover. I can only eat that when I feel for it. So, of course, you can pair your callaloo and saltfish with whatever you like, whether you want to do it with your fried dumpling, whether you want to do it with your boiled dumpling, your banana, you name it. Honestly, just cook your food and share it with whatever you enjoy to have it with, especially with your family. Of course, we're going to do the plantains here. Now, do not put this on and said, oh my god, I need to go and weigh. So yeah, because by the time you come back, honey, these are burnt up. So you got to be careful of them, yeah, because they're quite delicate and fragile. We need to give them some tender care because the minute you turn your back, them things here, plantain is gonna burn. Oh my god, no, you don't want that at all. Anyway, nice and delicious cooked callaloo and saltfish for breakfast with some bread. And don't be talking about too many butters on the bread because that's how we like it. And of course, some plantains as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. What are you cooking for your breakfast today? What are you cooking for your breakfast today? Or maybe you're just going to go straight ahead in the kitchen with your Sunday dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I truly appreciate your continued loyalty and your love. With that being said, you can share and tell someone, go and prepare some callaloo and saltfish for dinner because I say so.